Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that cleans your home efficiently without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums under $200, 0 cents in 2025. I've tested each of these budget-friendly models and I'll show you which ones offer the best suction, smart features, and value for your money. Whether you have pets, carpets, or just want a cleaner floor with minimal effort, stay tuned. These picks are perfect for anyone looking for a powerful yet affordable robot vacuum. Number 1 is the Shark Navigator RV2110. It's a mid-range robot vacuum built to automate daily cleaning on carpets and hard floors with SmartPath LiDAR navigation and a self-cleaning brush roll that minimizes hair wrap, making it especially appealing for pet owners. Its powerful suction and anti-hair wrap design effectively pick up pet hair, dust, and debris, while the methodical navigation pattern ensures thorough coverage in most rooms. In real-world use, it routinely maps floors accurately and handles transitions between surface types fairly well, though it can struggle slightly with very thick rugs or tiny obstacles. The build is solid for the price, lightweight and practical, but it doesn't feel as premium as higher-end competitors. Pros: strong suction, good hair pickup, systematic navigation, easy setup, and voice/app control make daily upkeep simple. Cons: the app can be clunky and laggy compared with rivals like Roomba or Roborock, and it may miss spots on thicker carpets. It's also louder at max suction and lacks advanced features like multi-floor maps or built-in no-go zones that some competitors offer. Compared to a similarly priced Roomba, Shark often delivers equivalent suction and better hair management, but falls short on app polish and smart mapping flexibility. For everyday homes with pets and mixed surfaces, it represents good value, though power users seeking the smartest experience might prefer a premium alternative. Overall, it's worth recommending to those who want reliable, hands-off cleaning on a budget. But shoppers wanting top-tier intelligence or ultra-quiet operation should compare other models first. On number 2 is the Arobo T20 Plus. Is a 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop with self-emptying base up to 60 days and smart home mapping aimed at hands-off cleaning of pet hair, hard floors, and low-pile carpet. It offers up to 180 minutes runtime, a 3.5L auto-empty dust bag, and control via app Alexa/Google, or remote for easy scheduling and no-go zones. Cleaning performance on hard floors and standard carpets is strong, with a floating brush and HEPA filter reducing hair tangles and capturing debris effectively. The mopping function provides light maintenance cleaning, though it's not as powerful on deep or stubborn stains compared to dedicated mops. Build quality is solid for the price, with a slim 3.7 profile to fit under furniture and noise under -65 dB during cleaning. Pros: long runtime, large self-empty capacity, effective everyday vacuuming and pet hair pickup, versatile controls, and LiDAR mapping for systematic routes. Cons: app and mapping software can be buggy or limited, setup takes patience, and occasional sensor quirks or stuck moments may occur. The mopping is serviceable for daily light cleaning but not deep stain removal, and manual water refills are required. Compared with premium rivals like Roborock or high-end iRobot models, the T20 Plus gives good value but less refined app and obstacle handling. Overall, it's well-suited for busy homes with pets or mixed floors wanting hands-off maintenance. I'd recommend it if you prioritize self-emptying and runtime over ultra-advanced mapping features. And number 3 is the Eily 5S Plus. Is a budget-friendly 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that cleans hard floors, low-pile carpets, and pet hair with up to 2,000 PA suction, a 300 ml dust bin, and a 300 ml water tank for everyday dirt and light spills. It offers Wi-Fi/app control, Alexa/Google Voice support, and 5 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, Max, Schedule, for flexible use and remote scheduling. Mine is about 110 minutes per charge with automatic return to dock, covering small to medium homes without frequent recharging. The slim, quiet design lets it reach under furniture and avoid falls with anti-drop sensors, while suction handles daily debris and pet hair well on hard surfaces. Pros: effective dual cleaning, easy app/voice control, quiet operation, and good value for its price point. Karen's, it relies on basic random navigation without smart mapping, so it can miss spots or clean inefficiently compared to LiDAR robots. The mop function is helpful for maintenance but not powerful enough for deep stains, and the separate dustbin/water tank means you can't vacuum and mop simultaneously without swapping components. App features are basic, with support only for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which may frustrate users wanting richer smart control, compared with pricier models like Roomba or Roborock offering systematic mapping and more advanced automation. The V5S Plus is less refined but more affordable. It performs well in real-life daily cleaning for hard floors and light carpets, though thicker rugs may challenge it. Overall, it's a good value choice for budget-minded households with pets or mixed floors, but those wanting advanced navigation or deeper carpet cleaning might prefer higher-end alternatives. On number 4 is the iRobot Roomba. 105 Combo is a versatile vacuum and mop robot that uses Clearview TM LiDAR navigation to map your home and clean in straight, efficient rows, even in low light. It combines a 4-stage cleaning system with a multi-surface bristle brush, edge sweeping brush, microfiber mop pad, and 70x more powerlifting suction than older Roomba entry models for strong everyday pickup. You can choose vacuum only, mop only, or combine modes, and it automatically avoids carpets while mopping so rugs stay dry. The Roomba Home app and voice control, Alexa/Google/Siri, make scheduling and customizing cleaning routines easy for busy households. In real-world use, it generally does a solid job on hard floors and low-pile carpets, efficiently covering rooms thanks to LiDAR mapping and systematic navigation. Pros: strong suction for its class, smart LiDAR navigation, automatic carpet avoidance during mopping, and customizable routines make daily cleaning easier. And the efficacy may lack indication, but only in regions with high energy usage, such as real estate. The mapping and navigation aren't perfect. Some users report occasional navigation hiccups, and carpet cleaning power can be modest compared with higher-end mopping. The water tank and mop pad are effective for light maintenance mopping, but may need frequent refills on larger spaces. Compared with more expensive robot vacuums from brands like Roborock that offer advanced obstacle avoidance and larger water systems, the 105 Combo is simpler but still reliable for routine cleaning. Overall, it's a good choice for homes with mixed hard floors and low-pile carpets, especially if you want the convenience of LiDAR mapping and combined cleaning modes at a more accessible price. Buyers wanting deep carpet cleaning or luxury navigation features might consider stepping up to mid- or high-end models. On number 5 is the Tapo RV20 Max. Is an ultra-sline LiDAR-navigated robot vacuum and mop that uses MagSlim TM LiDAR mapping for precise systematic cleaning paths and customizable room-by-room schedules and no-go zones via the Tapo app. With up to 5,300 PA of suction and deep vac technology, it claims over 97% dust pickup efficiency, helping lift dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hard floors and low-medium pile carpet. Its 83M Ultra Slime profile lets it reach under furniture and obstacles most taller robots miss, and smart carpet avoidance keeps rugs dry during mopping. The integrated 300 ml water tank and adjustable water flow add light mopping capability to regular vacuuming in a single run. Pros: powerful suction, accurate LiDAR navigation, customizable cleaning zones and schedules, smart carpet-aware mopping, voice control with Alexa/Google, and systematic coverage. Cons: some users report occasional inconsistent app responsiveness or mapping quirks, and true deep scrub mopping is limited compared with dedicated mops. The battery offers up to 180 min runtime and auto-return/resume functionality, but larger homes may still need recharges mid-clean. Build quality feels modern and capable, though operational accuracy may depend on how well the space is prepared and mapped. Compared with rivals like Roborock or high-end iRobot models that also offer LiDAR and smarter obstacle avoidance or stronger mapping ecosystems, the Tapo sits well for the performance for money segment, but may feel less polished in-app and AI features. In real-life use, it performs very well for routine maintenance of mixed floors and pet mess, though very thick carpets or heavy spills may challenge its hybrid design. Overall, it's a good pick for homes wanting powerful suction, smart LiDAR navigation, and customizable cleaning without the top-tier premium price, ideal for busy households with pets, or varied flooring, but those prioritizing ultra-advanced obstacle avoidance or professional-grade deep mopping should compare higher-end alternatives first.